Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix keyboard or mouse input delay on Counter-Strike 2. So let's begin. So here we are in our desktop, and the first thing that we need to do in order for us to solve this issue is go into our start menu, and from here type keyboard, and from here we would see the control panel keyboard, this one right here. You want to click on it and this one would appear right here. And what you want to do is that you want to set this setting right here into the shortest. Right here, drag it all the way right here, and this one to the slowest right here. And as you can see, once you have done this, then you want to click on apply and then OK. And once you have done that, then you can just test it out and you can play the Counter-Strike again and see if that fixes your issue. But if not, then you can try into your start menu, go into device manager. And from here, we would see a lot of our drivers right here. So what we would do is we're gonna update the input. So it would be the keyboard and mouse. So we were gonna find it right here. So where's the keyboard? Right here, keyboard. And then you wanna update all of it right here, update. And as you can see, it's already up to date right here for in my case. But if in your case you have an available update, then I suggest that you update it. And as you can see, I am currently updated right here, so I don't have any issues. But if you have successfully updated it and device manager and it's still not working, then what I suggest is that you lower your in-game settings, because that might be the reason. It might be FPS related. So once you lower it down, then it should solve your problem. And that's basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.
If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.